Did you know your baby's hiccups are actually a good sign? Unlike adults, newborns hiccup often because their tiny diaphragm is still learning how to work. In fact, hiccups are a normal part of healthy development and help strengthen their breathing muscles. Most of the time, you do not need to stop them. They will go away on their own. But if your baby looks uncomfortable, try holding them upright, giving them a gentle burp, or offering a pacifier to relax their diaphragm. So next time your little one gets the hiccups, do not worry. It is just their body growing stronger. Follow for more baby care tips every parent should know. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.